What is up, everybody? What is up? Today I want to talk to you about mentors and whether or not you need them to be successful. Long story short, this could be a really short video. No, you don't need one to be successful.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, you pay me what I'm owed, yeah.
All right, so for me personally, I think learning from lots of different people allows me to grow a little bit more, and you get different perspectives, right? So writing, for example, if you have someone who is your friend who writes picture books, who also writes middle grade, who also writes YA, all of these different people are going to give you different perspectives on your work. So that's going to allow you to grow a little bit more, okay? The next thing is I think you need to be mindful of who you're reaching out to and how. Just, stay out of their DMs. Yeah, you gotta be careful. If you don't have a relationship with them, if you haven't shown love to them by buying their books, by reposting, by sharing, and not just one or two times, like often, you probably shouldn't be messaging them. Yeah. And you know what? Your mentor doesn't have to be someone specifically in your field. You can get valuable information from people that aren't doing the same thing as you. For example, if you are a writer, you don't necessarily need a writer person to be your mentor. Maybe that person is a teacher. Maybe that person drives race cars. Maybe that person owns a restaurant. It doesn't matter. That person can still give value and hopefully give you critical feedback on the work that you're doing. It's okay. It depends on what type of mentor you're looking for, and it depends on what you want from your mentor. The next point, you need to make sure you tell your mentor exactly what you want. Don't be wishy-washy. Tell them exactly what you're feeling and why you want them to mentor you. And you know what? It's okay to allow it to just happen naturally. Friendships, oddly enough, can be mentorships as well, right? They can be someone that helps guide you in some of the tough stuff that's happening in your life. But long story short, you don't need one to be successful. You don't. But they can be very, very helpful. That's it. Peace.